Today, we are taking a trip down memory lane to look at 10 major events that have taken place in Jamaica over the last 10 to 20 years. First up, in 2012, Jamaica celebrated 50 years of independence, marking a milestone in the country's history. It was a time of reflection, celebration, and pride for all Jamaicans. Next, in 2016, Usain Bolt made history once again by winning an... And in 2019, Jamaica was rocked by the devastating effects of Hurricane Dorian, which caused widespread destruction and loss of life. The country came together to support those affected and rebuild. Moving on, in 2008, the music world was taken by storm with the emergence of dancehall superstar Vybz Kartel, who dominated the charts with hits like Rampin' Shop and Clarks. In 2013, Jamaica's tourism industry saw a major boost with the opening of the world-renowned resort Sandals Montego Bay. The luxury resort became a hot spot for celebrities and vacationers from around the globe.
Movie time!
Let me, Mommy.
Little Mermaid!
No.
This summer I turned...
Titans.
I'll be choosing tonight The Notebook.
No!
With Hub TV from Flow, now all your channels and streaming apps are in one place, controlled by your voice. Get internet and Hub TV for the special offer of only $6,499 plus GCT a month. Inspired by you. Visit a Flow store today.
In 2018, Jamaica made history by becoming the first Caribbean country to decriminalize the use of small amounts of marijuana, a significant move toward drug policy reform. In 2009, the world mourned the loss of reggae legend Bob Marley on the 28th anniversary of his death. His music and legacy continue to inspire and influence people around the world. In 2015, Jamaican cuisine gained global recognition with the rise of food festivals showcasing traditional dishes like jerk chicken and ackee and saltfish, putting the island on the map as a culinary destination. Moving forward to 2017, Jamaican film director Storm Salter made waves with the release of his critically acclaimed movie Sprinter, shining a spotlight on the country's talent in the film industry. And finally, in 2014, the Jamaican Bobsled team made a triumphant return. There you have it. 10 unforgettable moments that have shaped Jamaica over the past 10 to 20 years. Stay tuned for more historical news and updates from the land of wood and water.
Where's everybody? Well, Jackson is doing homework. Atlas and Oz are playing games. Ivy is taking a nap. Of course, Wayne and Gio are doing Wayne and Gio things.
They can't stop this.
Your Wi-Fi is so strong.
Home internet with smart Wi-Fi gives us wall-to-wall connectivity.
With Yacht and Road Plus, get gig speed, fiber-fast internet, smart Wi-Fi, plus unlimited mobile on the go. All for the special offer of only $6,999 plus GCT a month. Visit a Flow store today.